You're welcome to the details now. We begin from the western region. For the first time in 12 years, the passengers train service from Takoradi to Tarkwa has resumed work. Passenger service on the line has been out of service since September 13, 2007. But in January this year, 2019, the Ghana Railway Company Limited took over the line for rehabilitation works. Those who went on board the train today were excited. Correspondent Natalia joined the host of passengers from Takoradi to Tarkwa and has sent in her experience in this report.
Well, it's full of excitement and it's so joyous. This is my first time being in a train. I have heard numerous stories of the train. I've heard the sound, so many times that I have never been on a train like this before. This is my first time and it's exciting. Just like some of the passengers on board, our first time is like myself. It's an experience. We feel it's a new thing altogether. It's been good. Starting from Takoradi, the main point where we took off with most passengers jumping on. You can see the excitement on their face. For some of them who had experienced the train transport system, and then they have also seen it gone down for about 4 years. I've seen it back on the rail lines. It's pretty good for them. They share with me their joy, their excitement, and how they feel that the train system is safer than being on the road. And especially when we talk about from Takoradi to Tarkwa, where we have horrible road, terrible road, where you have to be in traffic for about 3 hours before you get to Tarkwa. Now, Takoradi will take about more than 4 hours, and that's involved and hectic. And even with the transportation, when you compare it to the train, most people that are on the bus, the best class, the best class, we have others behind here. We have where the cargoes are also being, the loads are being lodged. And so it's an experience for all of us. We feel that if this is a thing for a long time, people would prefer using the train rather than going on the road where they would have to stay on the traffic for over 4 hours, 5 hours, where they would have to experience last year, talk about the money involved and all of that. So before I then speak to more people.
Sincere apologies for that poor quality in the sound, but Ina joins us on the line. She's actually been speaking to the traffic manager, Comfort Arinia.
Particularly excited being the traffic manager and seeing the train on the line to Tarkwa. The last time we got to Tarkwa was September 2007, and even with that one was on Accra train and Kumasi train, where the passengers will have to drop at Tarkwa. Then the rest will continue. We never had special trains like this going. So it's a history being made today that we are going to have services to Tarkwa, that we can boast and say that yes, we now have Tarkwa train. We can now run, services to Tarkwa. Yeah, so I am particularly excited, and this is a wake-up call to draw the attention of the public that indeed railway is actually being revamped.
Natalia Kwanzaa joins us on the line with some more. Hello, Ina.
Hi, Gifty.
Ina, so tell us a bit more about your experience. Unfortunately, it was a bit difficult to hear you on that train because of the sound. Tell us a bit more about the experience this morning.
Let's give it all for me. My first time on the train was exciting, but with a little turbulence and shaking, and then I think when I started the journey from Takoradi, it was a bit because from Takoradi the rail lines are when we continue, it's an old line, so it was just shaking up and down. But on the whole, the residents, the passengers were excited to see the train move. At any point where passengers had to come on board, you could see the excitement. Little children clapping, shouting, looking at the train. And for those who have used this train for it to last some 2 years back, they felt it was one of the best that could happen to the Western region. Because having to go through a 4 hours to 6 hours traffic from Takoradi to Takwa is hell. And then we did associate that because that it really was easy for the passengers who travel from Takoradi to Takwa. For those that interacted, it felt it was the best thing, and they only pray that the way we could sustain it, that we couldn't go back to 2007 where the company had to collapse.
Fortunately, we're having some inconsistency in the smoothness of that line there on Skype. In Natalia, they're sharing her experience with us. Essentially, what she says is that the people who joined on this train were excited, although there were some, rough lines with the train. She was referring to the rail lines. Some of them were a bit rough, and so the train, did jerk up a bit, but the people who were on this trip were excited. They were also happy that there is a direct link now via train between Takoradi and Tarkwa. And of course, Tarkwa is a mining area. Takoradi is an oil city. Business activities certainly will be boosted by this intervention. But for the shaking on that rail lines.